Hello, this is just really a test video. I got a new camcorder. It's actually a DVD recorder, but I don't have any DVDs to put in it, so fuck it. But, seems pretty nice, but I'd only aim it down at these E-machines here, which I actually will be doing a review on that eventually. Has a screen that flips so I can see myself, but I don't want to see myself. 3:25 a.m. in the morning. I just busted this bad boy out and started recording randomly because I'm bored. My laptop down there too, I'll be doing a review on. Both these cameras, I got this one, Sony CyberShot, and the one in my hand is a Samsung DVD recorder with 34 times optical zoom, which I guess is pretty good. I was also told that the battery on this camcorder is bad, so not on this one. The battery on this is good. I got a charger for it and everything, but I traded a phone for the camcorder, and it seems to do pretty good with night shots too. The whole messy room. Yeah, whatever. It has, if I can find it, shutter. I don't know if this has like a night vision mode or... yeah, that don't do anything. Zoom. Zoom in on that Dell there. I don't know, I will probably be making more reviews with this camera since it seems to be a pretty nice camera. Subscribe for more.